Embracing luxury, stepping inside a 2025 Mercedes Benz. The 2025 Mercedes Benz lineup is here, and it's redefining automotive luxury. Gone are the days of mere leather seats and wood trim. Today's Mercedes Benz interiors are sanctuaries of cutting-edge technology, handcrafted details and innovative design, from the sporty GL 454 Matic Coupe to the tech-savvy C-Class. Each model offers a unique expression of luxury tailored to the modern driver. Let's take a closer look at what makes these interiors so special. Mercedes-Benz has always been synonymous with a certain level of opulence, and the 2025 models take this to a whole new level. Imagine sinking into seats upholstered in the finest Napa leather, the scent of handcrafted wood trim filling the air. Ambient lighting sets the mood with 64 customizable colors to choose from, while advanced climate control ensures perfect comfort no matter the weather outside. But it's not just about traditional luxury anymore. Mercedes-Benz understands that today's drivers demand seamless integration of technology. That's why the 2025 models feature the latest MBUX infotainment system, controlled through a sleek touchscreen display or intuitive voice commands. Imagine effortlessly navigating to your destination, making hands-free calls, or even controlling your home's smart devices, all from the comfort of your driver's seat. This is the future of automotive luxury, and Mercedes-Benz is leading the way. The GLE 454 Matic Coupe, where sportiness meets spaciousness. The 2025 GLE 454 Matic Coupe is a statement in itself. Its sloping roofline and aggressive stance hint at the power that lies within, while the interior is a perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication. The moment you slide into the driver's seat, you're greeted by a Napa, leather-wrapped steering wheel and sport-contoured seats that hug you in all the right places. But don't let the sporty demeanor fool you. The GLE 450 Coupe is also incredibly spacious. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and headroom thanks to the cleverly designed coupe roofline. And with plenty of cargo space, this coupe is ready for weekend getaways or trips to the grocery store. Whether you're carving canyons or cruising down the highway, the GLE 454 Matic Coupe offers an exhilarating yet comfortable driving experience. C-Class, a symphony of luxury and technology. The C-Class has always been the epitome of compact luxury, and the 2025 model raises the bar even further. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a symphony of refined materials and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard is a work of art, with flowing lines and high-resolution displays that seem to float in mid-air. Ambient lighting bathes the cabin in a warm glow, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. But the real star of the show is the MBUX infotainment system. The 12.3-inch touchscreen display is your gateway to a world of connectivity and entertainment, while the intuitive voice control system responds to your every command. Need to adjust the climate control? Simply say, "Hey Mercedes, I'm feeling cold," and the system will automatically adjust the temperature to your liking. This is luxury redefined for the digital age. Section 4. GLC 350 E-Hybrid. Pioneering the future of sustainable luxury. Mercedes-Benz is committed to a sustainable future, and the 2025 GLC 350 E-Hybrid is a testament to that commitment. This luxurious SUV seamlessly blends electrifying performance with eco-consciousness, all without compromising on comfort or style. Step inside the GLC 350 E-Hybrid, and you'll be greeted by an interior that's both elegant and technologically advanced. The GLC 350 E-Hybrid proves that sustainability and luxury can go hand in hand. Its spacious interior is crafted from recycled and sustainable materials, while the advanced hybrid powertrain delivers impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. This is a vehicle that lets you indulge your passion for driving while minimizing your impact on the planet. Section 5. A glimpse into the future. Upcoming marvels from Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz is not content to rest on its laurels. The brand is constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of automotive luxury. Coming soon are even more exciting models, each with its own unique take on what it means to be a Mercedes-Benz. The AMG GT 63 SE Performance promises to be a hybrid hypercar, combining electrifying performance with luxurious appointments. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, the roar of the engine blending with the silent power of electricity as you experience the future of performance. And for those who demand the very pinnacle of luxury, there's the upcoming Maybach SL. This grand touring convertible is set to redefine open-top opulence with a sumptuous interior that's both breathtaking and technologically advanced. The Maybach SL represents the pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz's commitment to crafting vehicles that are as beautiful to look at as they are to drive. These are just a few of the exciting models that Mercedes-Benz has in store for the future. With their unwavering commitment to innovation and craftsmanship, one thing is certain, the future of automotive luxury is in good hands.